In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Zoho CRM password. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can update your password confidently and keep your account secure. First, open your browser and head to the Zoho Accounts page. This is the central place where you manage your Zoho profile and security for all Zoho apps, including Zoho CRM. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Zoho account before you proceed. If you have multiple Zoho logins, it helps to double-check the email shown in the top corner so you don't change the password for the wrong account. Once you're on the Zoho Accounts homepage, look for the Security section. You'll usually find it in the main navigation or the sidebar alongside your personal profile settings. Click Security to open your security dashboard. This area is designed to help you control how you sign in and protect your data, so you may also see options for multi-factor authentication and other protections. Inside Security, locate the Password option. Click Password to open the dedicated page for managing your login credentials. This is where Zoho centralizes password-related actions, so you can review and update them in one place without digging through multiple menus. Now, click Change Password. You'll see fields to enter your current password, your new password, and a confirmation of the new one. For best results, create a strong, unique password that you don't use anywhere else. Aim for a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, or use a memorable passphrase that's long and hard to guess. If you use a password manager, generate and save your new password there so you won't forget it. Some accounts may prompt you to verify the change with a code or re-enter your credentials as an extra layer of security. Just follow the on-screen prompts. When you're ready, submit the change and wait for the confirmation message. After the update is successful, your new password applies across Zoho, including Zoho CRM. The next time you sign into CRM, use your new password. If anything looks off, refresh the page or sign out and sign back in. And if your browser autofills the old password, clear it and replace it with the new one, so it doesn't keep trying the outdated credentials. That's all there is to it. You've just updated your Zoho CRM password through Zoho Accounts, keeping your data safer and your access up to date. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to store your new password securely before moving on.